going on, Karate family? This is Dan Holmes. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we're starting a new video series on karate fundamental skills. First video is going to be on stances. Stances are very important in karate because they are the foundation. They are the foundation of the house. If you don't have good stances, then none of your other techniques are going to work properly. Today we're going to be covering 6 basic stances. You have the ready stance, attention stance, straddle leg or horse stance, forward stance, back stance, and cat stance. Each one of these stances is covered in some way in all of the karate family of arts. So whether you're studying Japanese, Okinawan, or Korean arts, these will apply to you, although they might be performed slightly differently. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, starting from our ready stance position, going to attention stance. Left foot slides to the right foot, hands slapping to the sides. All 10 toes are pointed straight ahead. Weight is distributed 50% on each foot, and the feet are touching from the toe all the way to the heel. Next up, we have our ready stance, chambering for double punch, stepping the left foot out to the left. All 10 toes pointed straight ahead. Weight is again 50-50. And you can imagine standing on parallel lines or train tracks. Going to our straddle leg stance, it is twice as wide as your ready stance. All 10 toes still pointed straight ahead. The weight is being pushed outward onto the outside edges of the feet, so you're pushing your knees outward. It should look like you're riding a big giant horse. Moving on to forward stance, if you go from a ready stance and you take a large step forward, all 10 toes pointed straight ahead, front knee bent, back leg locked, still on those parallel lines, and 70% of your weight on the front leg. Back stance, you're going to pivot your back foot, feet make an L shape, knees are bent, and about 60% of your weight is on the back leg, 40% on the front leg, going from forward stance to back stance. Going on from our forward stance, we're going to slide backwards, turning the back foot 45-degree angle, and I'm putting about 98% of my weight on that back leg, sitting down, sticking my rear end out, as you can see in the diagram there, just barely placing that front foot. And those are your 6 basic stances. As you can see, I had some help with this one. My nephew and student helped me, and he's also one that dubbed me Sensei Nani. Please help support my channel. Like and subscribe, comment any subjects that you would like to see in future videos, and check out my Patreon to help fund future projects. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.